YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to change the auto lock when the screen turns off option for your lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to change the auto lock when the screen turns off for your lock screen on your S26 device, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for lock screen and AOD. And then from there, what you want to do is look for screen lock and biometrics. And then two options under there is your secure lock settings. And what you want to hit is secure lock settings. In the secure lock settings menu, you want to look for auto lock when screen turns off, and then you can hit that, and then you can change when the auto lock turns on or off. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to change your auto lock settings for the Samsung Galaxy S26 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of